Hi there. Are you someone who often feels to be worthy of more money than you make? This is one of the topics of the workshop we are going to deal with from different aspects, thanks to the latest findings in neuroscience and quantum physics. My name is Froyda, and I'm happy and enthusiastic to help you figure out why your life is not working the way you want it to. Maybe it's all about your self-esteem, how you look at yourself, or maybe it is the programs your subconscious mind is running all the time, and that sabotages you. Because if you look at your life is a printout of your subconscious programs. And that's what we will work on quite a lot in the workshop. Or perhaps you are doing a job which is not fulfilling. You believe it is your decision to do this job, but in the end you follow somebody else's goals or life purpose. Or maybe you scatter your life force around and you don't even know about it, and that consumes your energy, and you become overwhelmed, and you don't allow free time in your life, as I call I time, into your life to recharge your batteries. And I could continue the list because we are all different, and all these differ from person to person, of course. So the reason why I decided to launch this workshop is because I know I've been there. So I don't want to go into details now. I will tell you more about at the workshop. But one thing is for sure, I could get a PhD in self-sabotaging. And when I found the solution that helped me out of the negative loop of my life, I said to myself, holy cow, how many other people can suffer from the same, and they desperately looking for the solutions, which I did for many years, and nothing worked. Why not share my knowledge and my experience, and save them from the research, save them from spending a lot of money and experiencing disappointment. So that's why this workshop is waiting for you and is offered to you. And believe me, that once you are aware who is the creator, the controller of your thoughts, emotions, actions, then you will know what to do. Then you will start to work on yourself and make the shifts for you necessary to become the captain and the navigator as well of your lifeboat. And that is when you will realize, oh my God, everything is possible in life because you are able to do whatever you want. And this is what my workshop is about. And I am not a magician, so I can't promise I will change your life. What I can promise is that I do my best that you take most of that one-day workshop. And it's always your choice. Stay where you are, or you take a deep breath. Take the unknown path, even if you don't know where you end up. And that takes courage and consistency. Thank you very much.